FNC Ponds. We were day 2 at this pond build. So this little pond had some really cheap Lowe's liner leaking everywhere. For a really cool backyard setting, this should not have been done this badly. So as we come in, got an awesome little patio. Such a great little sitting area on this patio. When you come in, gonna have a cool little 6x8 pond here. Aquascape signature skimmer. We're running a 9 PL, so we're gonna be pumping some major water through this stream. Big waterfall right here. Then we're actually doing 2 double falls right over here. Their bedroom right there. Gonna get a great view from this waterfall. All these windows looking out. This little water feature will be the main feature attraction. Today is waterfall day. Putting in a cool bridge right there. Working on plumbing. Gonna have double falls right here. This thing's gonna look sweet. Right by their bedroom. Oh, look at this mess. All this came from this, what used to be a horrible pond has transformed. Look at these waterfalls. Sweet little koi pond down here. We built this awesome bridge. Christian did a great job. Did that bridge right there and then the falls. Look at that shot. How could you not enjoy that in this patio? Gonna sit down right here.